Good morning, Morgan. And good morning to any of Morgan's friends that have joined us for this video. Today we're going to talk more about navigating the tree, specifically how to go up. All right, with that, let's go ahead and get started.
Going up. Continuing the family tree analogy, every tag and every string has a parent, the tag that contains it. Parent. You can access an element's parent with the parent attribute. In the example 3 Sisters document, the head tag is the parent of the title tag.
Okay. All right. Is that true? Hold on, I think it is, because I have the code right here. Okay. So where's the title? There it is, right there. And it's underneath the header, which is underneath the HTML. Okay? See how that works? All right. And in here, we take the soup object, request just the title part, throw it into the title tag, right? Into this variable title tag, and then it's supposed to give us it's giving us the whole tag from start to end. And then the code, the sample code that I've created, and you can get if you email me, verifies that. Okay? Now that we've created this variable title tag, we can go find out what the parent is. Okay? So what it does is it just backs it up a level, so now you see the header and the title that's buried within the header. And then the code verifies that. Okay? And then, let's see, the title string itself has a parent. It does. So we're looking at the title string, right? And what do we get? We get the whole thing, right? But let's go ahead and just listen to the machine say it.
The title string itself has a parent, the title tag that contains it.
Okay, all right. Let's continue.
The parent of a top-level tag like HTML is the beautiful soup object itself.
All right, so we take HTML and throw it into the tag. Okay, and then we're going to go and see what the type of the object is. And sure enough, it's a beautiful soup object. And okay, that's pretty straightforward.
And the parent of a beautiful soup object is defined as none.
Oh, it is. Well, that's because there's nothing else above it, is it? Okay? You've reached the top. There's nothing past the very top. Okay? So, and we'll talk about this a little bit more when we get to some output. Okay, let's talk about this parenty type stuff some more.
Parents. You can iterate over all of an element's parents with parents. This example uses parents to travel from an A tag buried deep within the document to the very top of the document. Link
really?
Equals.
Okay, so we're taking A. Should be the first A tag. Remember? And we put it into the link. We create a link object. And then the machine says that this should be what's in there. Okay? And it is, because we went ahead and did the print. Now we're going to freaking work our way up the ladder. Okay? Look at the output. Okay, we start at P. All right. So the parent of the A is P. What's P's parent? The body. What's the body's parent? HTML. What's HTML's body? It's the document. Remember, that's what it's called. And then Nothing. Might as well say God. And here's the output. And then just for references, here's the code. Okay? There's the A tag, and it's owned by the P tag, and then the body, and then the HTML, and then the document, and then that's it. You've reached the surface. All right? And with that, let's go ahead and take a look at the code, and then we'll take a look at the output. Okay, here's the code for this example or this video. Standard thing. We create the beautiful soup object here. Then we run all the code that was in the manual, okay, and then we dress it up with these print statements. All right. Just stop the video if you want to go and hand code this in. There's the loop. Okay. All right. Chugga, 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 chugga. All right. With that, let's go ahead and take a look at the output. And here's the output. I did throw in a couple more displays that weren't in the Word document that we read earlier. I wanted to see what the value of HTML tag would be and what the value of HTML tag parent is. Okay? And as far as I can tell, it's the same because there's nothing above HTML, is there? Now, I guess what I could have done is run it against the header to see if the HTML said header, and then when you did the whole thing of the parent, if it added HTML. We'll do that later in another visible video. I'm not going to go back and fix that. But yeah, so here's all the output. Okay. And with that, the video is over, and we'll see you in the next video. And speaking of the next video, we've got 2 more videos on the navigating the tree, and then we get to move on to the next topic. All right, with that, we'll see you in the next video.